Summer pasta recipe, a great easy lunch idea or dinner pasta, which you can have on its own, or why not try my recipe for my homemade focaccia. Like you see here, it's delicious. Cook 250 grams of pasta to the packet instructions. Then to a very large frying pan, you're going to add in 2 tablespoons of olive oil and 40 grams of butter, along with 2 garlic cloves that have been crushed. Add in 4 spring onions that have been chopped, and 100 grams of asparagus. All I've done is washed it and literally chop it in half and pop it in. Then you add in 100 grams of green beans, again just chop them up in half, 100 grams of button mushrooms, which again I've just chopped in half, and 4 broccoli florets. I've just roughly chopped that. Just add that in, 100 grams of frozen peas, and give that a good stir round. Add in the final tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil. Then add in half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and I'm adding in half a teaspoon of my favourite sea salt. Just stir that round, and you're going to cook that through for around about 5 minutes. Then you want to add in 10 basil leaves. Fresh basil works the best with this one. Then you're going to add in 3 ladlefuls of the pasta water. This is around about 150 mils. Then add half of the parmesan cheese, that's roughly 50 grams. Stir that round. Then when your pasta is ready, roughly drain it. You still want some water there. Add that to the frying pan and just mix it round so that you get all the vegetables through properly, and then you will add the remaining parmesan cheese. This is absolutely delicious. Serve it up immediately. And one of my favourite ways to serve it is with my homemade focaccia bread. Yes, and you can catch that recipe on my website too. And you should know the website by now. If you want the full written details, go to cookingwithemily.co.uk.